If a person wants guidance, if he wants well-being, if he wants blessings, if he wants protection from harm, all of these things are gathered in one very, very comprehensive dua. This dua is Allahumma hdini fi man hadayt, wa afini fi man afayt, wa tawallani fi man tawallayt, wa barik li fi ma a'tayt, wa qini sharra ma qadayt, innaka taqdi wa la yuqda alayk, wa innahu la yadhillu man walayt, wa la ya'izzu man adayt, tabarakta rabbana wa ta'alayt. The dua means, O Allah, guide me amongst those whom you have guided. Grant me well-being amongst those whom you have granted well-being. Befriend me amongst those whom you have befriended. Bless me in what you have given me, and protect me from the evil of what you have decreed. You are the one who decrees, and you are not decreed against. Whomsoever you befriend will never be disgraced, and whomsoever you oppose will never be honored. You are the most blessed, our Lord, and you are the most exalted.
على جبين سعادتي وأفكاري تجري الحروف بأشواق وأزداد